Here's how you adjust the folders available to your FileMaker server. First, you had to create the folders. So we'll do one for databases. One, you can hit F2 to rename. This is for containers. And then this guy will be for backups. So what we're going to do then, log into our FileMaker server. Okay, so this is the first time I'm going to use the default certificate because we're doing SSL later. Configuration, folders, and then we're going to change the additional database folder FileWin /d:/databases/ save. And you do the same thing for container data. Container data FileWin /d:/containers. And then hit save. And then for the default backup path, I'm going to change that to backup. Oop. Save. Oh, backups. Sorry, backups. So there you go. I'm Sully from Mandelbrot LLC. Thanks for watching.